this video, we are going to see a simple solution on what to do if you have forgot the password and you accidentally logged out of the application on the Roblox PC. Here's how you can easily sign in back without even knowing the password. So what you do is simply you click on the sign in screen, and here you got the option of username and password, right? But we don't remember the password. So what we do instead is email me a one-time code. We'll use that. So click on that and we simply mention our email address. We click continue and we will receive a code on our mobile that we can enter right here. This is a one-time code. So just enter it. So once we enter that, you should be able to see that you are logged in without even knowing the password. So that's about it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.